Hi my pretties, welcome back to my channel. First off, Happy New Year to you. I want to start this new year off right with some beautiful hair from Mslula.com. This is a virgin human hair lace closure wig. Right now I'm showing you what the wig looks like right out of the box. You'll see some details scrolling across your screen as well in the description box. Be sure to check that out. So first things first, let's go ahead and get it on the head. I noticed that this wig is not big head friendly, so what I'm doing is cutting out that little bit of mesh underneath where the closure is in hopes to kind of expand the wig. It helps a little bit. I also cut out that middle comb. Now I am going to have to go around and put bobby pins all around the wig in order to have a secure and tight fit because this wig is very snug, and honestly the cap could be a little bit bigger to fit me, but I do like the tight feel of the unit. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to take some conditioner, use any leave-in conditioner that you have, deep conditioner, your favorite one, and put it with some water, and I'm going to spray this hair down. Spraying hair with water and conditioner truly shows the true pattern of curly hair. So I want to be sure to wet that hairline up good because I'm going to go in and tweeze it just a little bit. So just continue to tweeze away. And then once I tweeze it, I didn't have to do too much with it. I'm just going to go ahead and cut that lace off until I see the lace melting in my hairline like this right now. It is a little bit behind my hairline. I'm just showing y'all right now how much hair came from plucking. Can't talk today. Wasn't very much. And now I'm going to go ahead and wet the hair all up. And in the next clip, I'll show you what the hair looks like when it's about 95% dry. Okay, pretty. So after you are done playing around with the hair, this is what the unit should be looking like right now. I have to say the most major con about this unit is it's simply not big head friendly. Like, I have pins all in my head. The wig does feel secure, but I don't feel the most comfortable. Like, when the wind blows, I had to leave out a lot of my own hair to blend in, and I had to smooth a lot of my hair, which with a closure wig sometimes can be a little bit too much. Other than that, I don't have any cons about this unit. It was very easy, as you can see, to do the tweezing. It was super easy to just put some concealer on those knots, because who has time for all that bleaching? And in my personal opinion, the more you bleach your knots, the more your hair sheds. That's just my opinion. Going into the actual hair itself, oh my god, it's silky. It's really soft. It's really pretty, and has a nice curl pattern. I'm going to let y'all see up close what it's looking like now that it is about 90% dry. This is what it's going to be looking like. This is how it's laying, and it's just really pretty. Okay, so moving into the shedding and tangling. This hair, it only shed initially when I was tweezing it, and then I brushed through it. After that, the shedding has pretty much stopped. As far as tangling is concerned, as you all can see, there is no tangling going on in the hair. There is a few snags that you hear, and just keep in mind that is because this hair is curly deep wave. It is going to be a little bit of friction when the hair is curly or deep wave. Is to be expected. I can deal with the tangling when the hair is curly, but what I can't deal with is my hair fucking shedding all over the place like I'm a little doggy. I can't do that. Now let's move on to y'all favorite part, y'all. Let me get it to y'all from all of my angles. So here's giving it to you all from the front. Here's giving it to you from the side. And y'all favorite part, here is a little back action. And can y'all see my Christmas shorts? I hope y'all can. Look, I am, oh no y'all can't. Let's see, can y'all see them now? Okay, there we go. There's my Christmas shorts, y'all. As y'all can see, I'm real YouTube-y on the top with my sweater and real comfortable on the bottom. But anyway, y'all, let me give it to y'all from the back some more. I hope it's focused and then y'all can see a really good clear shot and angle. And friends, the favorite and the best part, what do I rate this on my 5-star scaling system? I am going to have to give this a solid 3 stars, y'all. And I give this unit 3 stars simply because it's not big head friendly and I have a big ass head. So I need units that are big head friendly, but I will say it is subjective. If my head was a little small, cute peach head, I definitely would give this 5 out of 5 stars. Affordability, for no shedding, for no tangling, for good ass hair on the wig, for a good ass lace as well. Y'all, excuse all the profanity, and I hope the babies are sleeping. Babies should be sleeping by now. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I do hope that you all enjoyed this video, and you will remember to comment, rate, and subscribe so you can see more amazing hair reviews from me. Thank y'all again for watching. I love y'all for the support. 10K on the way, so get excited about it. Tell everybody who's everybody, and that's everybody, to subscribe to my channel. I'll see y'all next time, and thanks for watching.